Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at Bit Trading, and today, of course, we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through the trades that I am currently in and the targets that I have for those trades, and we will also take a look at future price levels that I'm interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these markets. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload, and make sure that you watch this video up until the end because, like I said, I will be giving you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that. Let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So since the last video that I made for you guys, telling you guys that I shorted the Bitcoin ETF, okay, we have seen a continuation towards the downside within Bitcoin as I expected. In the last video, I was telling you that I am just remaining short and chill and actually looking for lower prices, okay? So we did actually have this range that we were forming. If we come down onto the 30-minute chart, okay, we can very, very clearly see that we had this range forming right here, okay? And as price was rising up to the value area high or range high, okay, we were actually seeing price looking bearish, okay? So we came over to the CVD and we came over to the open interest, okay, and we established, okay, as this price is rising, okay, it is actually looking very bearish, okay? So we have to be cautious, okay? Yes, this rise towards the upside is very good, okay? And yes, we have been very, very bullish for, over a month, okay? Because we have seen a big rise towards the upside. And of course, here at Bit Trading, we have taken full advantage of that big rise towards the upside, okay? By being in a long position. As you can see here, over 700% in a profit on this long position alone, okay? So this was a very, very profitable long position and we were very, very bullish, okay? But as the price continued to rise, okay, continued to make higher highs, okay, we weren't seeing enough long positions coming in to actually continue this rally towards the upside, okay? So what happens when we don't see enough longs kicking in is that the shorts then take over, okay, and we then see price actually pull back, okay? So we were seeing early signs of this, okay, with the CVD and the open interest. As price is making very, very obvious higher highs, okay, we can see on the CVD that the longs aren't, not enough longs are kicking into the market, to continue this rally towards the upside, okay? So these rises were just getting more bearish, okay, as they go on. So, okay, what we wanted to do is we wanted to wait for some sort of price action structure, okay, that would give us that indication to enter into the short. And that's exactly what we got and exactly what we took advantage of, okay? So we had the previous high of 2024, okay, the previous yearly high at $28,000 right here, okay? Here was the $28,000 previous yearly high, okay? And what we saw was price actually took this high, okay? It didn't sweep the level, okay? It didn't sweep the liquidity from 48,000, okay? But we actually formed a failed auction. As you can see right here, we formed a perfect failed auction, okay? With, remember, okay, bearish CVD and bearish open interest, okay? So what does this give us a signal to do? Well, this gives us a signal to actually enter into a short. And of course, we entered into that short right here. And as I always do, I did give this trade setup to my visionary members on that visionary Discord. I said short setup for me. You can check all the timestamps, okay? This was, given in the time, okay, when I actually took the trade myself. Here was the setup that I gave the team, okay, and I gave them an example of why we were entering into the trade, because we formed a failed auction with bearish CVD and open interest, okay? So there was the setup that I gave my team. Again, very quickly, we took a TP1 at 63%, okay? We took a TP2 at 95%, moved the stop loss to entry, okay? And then we let the rest of the trade ride, okay? If it hits the stop loss, that is fine, okay? Because we moved the stop loss to entry and we've already taken 2 TPs, okay? So this is going to be a very profitable trade either way, okay? But what we actually saw and what I was telling you guys in the previous video is that I was expecting lower prices, okay? I wanted to see lower prices. And that's exactly what we got. As you can see, yesterday I did a trade update. The trade is right now in around 263% in a profit. So this has been a very, very, very profitable trade for us here at Bit Trading. As you can see, we have seen a huge move towards the downside. I was telling you in that video, okay, that 44,000 296 is a possible level that we could look to long if price is looking bullish at this level. However, as prices come into this level, okay, we have seen no bullish confirmation, bullish confluence, or a bullish reaction. Okay, so I was just remaining short and chill, okay, and looking for lower prices. And that's exactly what you got. That's exactly what we got. Okay, you can see we've got the continuation towards the downside, okay, forming a new low, as you can see right here, at around $41,300. Okay, so this was a very, very profitable short for us. Okay, we do still have a little bit left in this short position. I have taken the majority of the profits off of this trade as of right now, okay, because we have seen a big move towards the downside, but I still have a little bit left in the trade, okay, around 10% of the initial 100% capital that I had in the trade, okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that ride. If we see lower prices, okay, we are gonna take advantage of that because we still have a little bit left in the short, okay. But if we come and hit the stop loss, that is perfectly fine because we've taken at least 3 TPs now. Stop loss is at entry, okay. So there's no way this trade can turn into a losing trade. So this was a very profitable trade that me and the team took, okay. And of course, you know, if you want access to these trades, okay, where I'm giving all well, if you want access to the Visionary Discord where I give all of my trades, okay, this was the previous long from up here, okay, this was the previous long setup that I gave the team, okay, and as you can see, this gave us over 700% in a profit, okay. This was a very profitable trade. Entry price was 41,000, okay, and our final TP was around 48,000. So you can see a very profitable trade. If you want access to this, okay, click the first link in the description or the pinned comment, okay. It will take you over to this page right here, okay. Sign up here and you can get access to the Discord and of course the courses as well, which teach you my strategy, okay. You know, my strategy has an 80%, 85% win rate, okay. So it is a very profitable strategy, okay. But where do we go from here, okay? That is the question now, okay. Of course, it has just been the weekend. It is now Monday, okay? So we are going to start seeing volatility kicking into the market once again because as you can see, over the course of the weekend, what happened, okay, price was very plateau. Volatility did actually just disappear, okay? You know, that's what happens, okay, on the weekend. We see volatility disappear as everyone steps away from their computers, especially the institutions as well, okay? But for right now, I am just waiting to see, okay, what price does as it's ranging here. Okay, just waiting to see. Okay, if we come down, okay, and we actually test the low that we formed on the Friday, okay, we test the low at 41,298. If we come and test this and we look bullish, okay, of course, there is a possibility that we can look for a long position, okay? But what we have to remember, okay, is that we are in this range as well. So there could possibly be another possible short setup, okay? Remember, you know, we have range high. You could argue, okay, range high could be here, okay, at 43,968, or you could argue that range high could be here at 43,244. So we're either one of these levels. If we come, okay, into one of these levels and we are looking bearish, that is another possible setup, you know, that we could be looking to short, okay? So if we were to see price come up here, we looked bearish, we could look for a short down to around 41,298, okay? If we don't look bearish there, we could look bearish at this next higher level at 43,968. If we look bearish there, okay, we could possibly short, okay, and target, okay, the low of the range down here, and again at 41,298, okay. But if we are to come down to a 41,298 and we look bullish, okay, what could we do? Well, we could actually long and target, you know, the high of the range, okay. That could be a possible long setup, okay. So these are the setups that I'm looking at as of right now, okay. They're not, you know, set in stone that I'm going to trade these levels, okay. It's not 100%, you know, certainty that I'm going to be trading these levels, okay. I have to wait for the bullish or bearish confirmation, confluence and reaction at that level before I enter the trade. You know, that's how we have such a high win rate here because, okay, we have our level marked on the chart. Okay, we had this level marked on the chart, 48,000. Okay, we were waiting for price to come into this level and actually test it bearishly. If it tested it bearishly, we entered into the short, and that's exactly what happened. If price was coming into this level and was actually looking bullish, okay, then I would have targeted higher prices, okay. I would have said, you know, I'm looking for higher prices. okay, but I didn't. Price was coming into this level looking bearish, okay, so we shorted this, okay, and yeah, you can see proof is in the pudding. We made over 263% on this short position, so a very, very profitable short position, okay. Entry price $47,400, okay. Last TP that we've taken is $42,300, okay, so you can see there, very, very profitable trade. Again, if you want access to these trades, okay, the Discord where I give all of my trades away, okay, you can go through here and see how many profitable trades we have. Then make sure that you click the link in the description, first link in the description or first link in the pinned comment, sign up here. You can get access to the Discord and the courses where I teach you my strategy as well. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. As of right now, just remaining short and chill unless we see another trade setup. So yeah, that's my plan. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So see you later, guys. Goodbye.